If you're new to moon phases and tarot, this video is for you. Let me show you how to work with the moon easily. No astrology experience needed. The moon influences our emotions, intuition, and energy, and learning to work with it doesn't have to be complicated. In this beginner guide, I'll show you how to know which moon phase you're in, what each moon phase means, how to choose the right tarot deck for each phase. You have a few easy options. Choose what feels best for you. If the moon looks dark or barely visible, it's a new moon. If it looks like it's growing brighter each night, it's a waxing moon. If it's fully round and bright, it's a full moon. If it looks like it's shrinking, it's a waning moon. That's it. No charts required. Simply search moon phase today or use a moon phase app or calendar. This is perfect if you like quick, clear answers. Your energy often mirrors the moon. If you feel ready to start fresh, set intentions, or focus on new ideas, treat this as new moon energy. When you feel motivated, productive, or ready to take action and build momentum, you're working with waxing moon energy. If emotions feel heightened, your intuition is strong, or situations are coming into clear focus, this reflects full moon energy. When your energy slows down and you feel the need to rest, reflect, or let go, this is waning moon energy. Your body is already tuned in, you just need to listen. The new moon is about beginnings and setting intentions. This is a quiet, inward phase. Choose soft or oracle-style decks. The waxing moon is about taking steps forward and building momentum. Choose clear, action-focused decks. The full moon brings emotions and truths to the surface. Choose bold decks that give honest messages. The waning moon is about letting go and healing. Choose nurturing or shadow work decks. If you're just starting out, you don't need to follow this perfectly. You don't need deep moon knowledge. Just ask yourself, what phase am I in and what do I need right now? That's enough. Working with the moon is about awareness, not perfection. The more you notice the moon, the more natural this becomes. Start simple, trust your intuition, and let the moon guide your readings. Enjoyed this message? Join our YouTube Omnistian family at The Omnistians by subscribing, and let's create a space filled with clarity, healing, and support together. Return next time. Your message will be waiting.